Surveyors in Manesar are essential to the growth and development of the city. An developing industrial hub, Manesar lies in the state of Haryana and is the site of numerous infrastructure and real estate projects. To aid in the design and execution of various building projects, these surveyors are in charge of precisely measuring and mapping the terrain. In order to ensure that the design and layout of the land are exact and in compliance with the necessary requirements, they conduct surveys and collect data using cutting-edge technology and equipment. One of the top surveying firms in Manesar is Scon Design. They are renowned for their skill and experience in offering thorough surveying services to clients in a variety of industries, including construction, infrastructure, and real estate. The surveyors at Scon Design are experts in the most recent surveying methods and technology. They are also highly skilled and qualified. They are dedicated to providing clients with accurate and dependable surveying solutions so that they may make decisions based on precise measurements and information. Topographic surveys, boundary surveys, building surveys, and land development surveys are among the services offered by Scon Design. Topographic surveys entail mapping a land parcel's surface features, including both natural and artificial elements, including contours, trees, structures, and utilities. In order to prevent encroachments and disputes, boundary surveys help establish a property's borders. In order to make sure that the project is being carried out in accordance with the design plans and specifications, construction surveys are carried out during the construction phase. By taking into account elements like drainage, soil quality, and accessibility, land development surveys determine if a plot of land is suitable for development. Scon Design takes great pleasure in its dedication to quality and client satisfaction. In Manesar, surveyors are essential to the development and expansion of the city. Manesar, which is in the state of Haryana, is a developing industrial center where a lot of infrastructural work is being done. The task of these surveyors is to precisely measure and chart the land, which aids in the design and execution of several construction projects. In order to ensure that the design and layout of the land are exact and in compliance with the necessary requirements, they utilize cutting-edge technology and equipment to conduct surveys and collect data. One of Manesar's top surveying businesses is Scon Design. They are renowned for their skill and experience in offering clients in a variety of industries, including construction, infrastructure, and real estate, full surveying services. Scon Design has a group of expert surveyors on staff that are knowledgeable about the most recent surveying methods and tools. They are dedicated to offering clients trustworthy and accurate surveying solutions so that they may base their decisions on correct measurements and information. Scon Design offers topographic, boundary, construction, and land development surveys among its other services. Maps of a land parcel's surface features, including both natural and man-made elements like contours, trees, structures, and utilities, are created by topographic surveys. Boundary